Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Leo. He was kind and curious. Every day, he asked many questions about life. "What is the most important thing in the world?" he asked his grandmother. She smiled and said, "Life is the most important thing, my dear." Leo wanted to understand. "Why is life so important?" he asked. His grandmother took him outside. She pointed at the trees. "Look at the trees. They grow, they give us air, and they make the world beautiful. Life is like that. It grows and gives us happiness." Leo thought about it. He saw birds flying in the sky. He saw children playing in the fields. He felt the warm sun on his face. "Life is beautiful," he said. One day, Leo met an old man by the river. The man was fishing. "Sir, can you tell me why life is valuable?" Leo asked. The old man smiled. "Life is valuable because it is a gift. We only have one life, and we must use it well. Every day is a chance to learn, to love, and to be happy." Leo sat beside the man and watched the water. "But what should I do to make my life valuable?" he asked. "Be kind," said the old man. "Help others. Learn new things. Enjoy the little moments. Be thankful for every day." Leo listened carefully. He decided to be kind to his friends. He helped his neighbors. He listened to his grandmother's stories. He laughed and played with joy. Every day, he woke up with a smile, ready to enjoy life. Years passed, and Leo grew up. He became a teacher and taught children about the beauty of life. He told them, "Life is a gift. Use it well. Love, help, and be happy." And so the lesson of life continued from one generation to another. The village became a place of kindness and happiness, all because one boy asked, "What is the most important thing in the world?" Tom and Lisa were excited about their trip to the rainforest. They had read many books about jungles, but they had never been to one before. Their guide, Marco, told them to stay close and follow his steps. "The jungle is beautiful, but it can be dangerous," he warned. The group walked for hours, admiring the tall trees and the colorful birds. Lisa took pictures of the bright flowers, and Tom listened to the strange sounds of animals hidden in the trees. Everything was exciting and new. Suddenly, Tom saw a butterfly with blue wings. "Lisa, look!" he called, running after it. Lisa followed him, laughing. They ran deeper into the forest, not realizing they had left the group behind. When they finally stopped, they looked around. The trees were tall and thick. The path was gone. "Tom, where is Marco?" Lisa asked, worried. Tom's heart began to beat fast. "I don't know. We have to find the way back." They walked and walked, but the jungle looked the same everywhere. The birds sang loudly, and strange insects buzzed near them. The sun began to set, and the air became cooler. Lisa started to cry. "What if we never find our way back?" she whispered. Tom took a deep breath. "We have to stay calm." Marco said to always stay in one place if we are lost. He will come looking for us. They found a big tree and sat under it. The jungle was dark now. Strange sounds surrounded them. Tom held Lisa's hand. "We are together. We will be okay," he said. Hours passed. Then they heard a voice. "Tom, Lisa!" It was Marco. "We are here," Lisa shouted. Soon, Marco and the other travelers appeared. "You scared us," Marco said, smiling with relief. "Never run away like that again." Tom and Lisa learned an important lesson that day. The jungle was beautiful, but they had to respect it. They promised to always stay with the group and listen to their guide. From that day on, they enjoyed the jungle carefully, never forgetting the night they were lost in its deep green mystery. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor lady named Maria. She had little money, but she had a big heart. Maria worked very hard every day. She cleaned houses, washed clothes, and helped people in her village. Even though she was poor, she always smiled and shared what she had. One day, Maria found an old book in the market. It was a book about business. She could not read well, but she tried her best to understand. Every night, she read a few pages by candlelight. She learned about saving money, selling goods, and working smart. Maria decided to start her own small business. She made beautiful baskets and sold them in the market. At first, she sold only a few baskets. But she did not give up. She worked harder and made better baskets. People started to buy more. Soon, her baskets became famous in the village. After a year, Maria opened a small shop. She sold baskets, clothes, and little gifts. More and more people came to her shop. She saved money and learned more about business. After 5 years, Maria had a big store in the city. She was no longer poor. She was successful and happy. One day, a young girl came to Maria's shop. She was poor, just like Maria was before. The girl wanted to learn, but she had no money. Maria smiled and said, "I will teach you for free. Work hard, and you can change your life." Maria never forgot her past. She helped many people in her village. She taught them how to work and save money. She showed them that success comes from hard work, learning, and kindness. And so, Maria's story became famous. People called her the woman of success. She proved that even the poorest person can become rich with hard work, patience, and a kind heart. Once upon a time, in a quiet town, there were two best friends, Anna and Elena. They did everything together. They walked to school, shared secrets, and helped each other. They trusted each other completely. One day, a new woman, Julia, came to the town. She was charming and friendly. Anna and Elena liked her. But soon, Elena started spending more time with Julia. Anna felt lonely and sad. She missed her best friend. One evening, Anna heard something shocking. Julia told Elena, "Anna is jealous of you. She does not want you to have other friends." Elena believed Julia's words. She stopped talking to Anna. Anna was heartbroken. She tried to explain, but Elena did not listen. Days passed, then weeks. Anna was alone. She cried at night, missing her best friend. One day, Elena heard Julia talking to someone else. Julia said, "Elena is too easy to fool. She believes everything I say." Elena was shocked. She realized that Julia was lying all along. Elena ran to Anna's house. She knocked on the door. Anna opened it, her eyes full of sadness. "I am sorry," Elena said. "I believed a lie. I hurt you. Please forgive me." Tears filled Anna's eyes. She hugged Elena. "I missed you," she whispered. "Let's never let anyone break our friendship again." From that day, Anna and Elena became best friends again. They learned an important lesson. True friendship is built on trust and honesty. No one can break a real friendship if the hearts are strong. Emma loved waking up to the sound of birds singing outside her window. Every morning, she opened her eyes, stretched her arms, and smiled. "Today is a new day," she always said. She lived in a small town near the mountains. The air was fresh, the sky was blue, and the people were kind. Emma believed that life was a gift, and she wanted to enjoy every moment of it. One day, Emma decided to go on a long walk. She saw children playing in the park, laughing and running. She smiled and thought, "Happiness is simple." She continued walking until she reached a big tree. Under the tree, an old man sat on a bench, feeding birds. Emma sat next to him and said, "It is a beautiful day, isn't it?" The old man smiled. "Every day is beautiful if we choose to see it that way," he said. "When I was young, I used to worry a lot. But now I understand that happiness is everywhere. We just need to open our eyes." Emma listened carefully. She thought about her own life. She had good friends, a loving family, and dreams to follow. "I am lucky to be alive," she said. The old man nodded. "Yes, life is a gift. Enjoy the little things. Feel the wind on your face, listen to the laughter of children, and be grateful for each day." Emma felt warmth in her heart. She promised herself that she would never take life for granted. Every morning, she would wake up, stretch her arms, and smile. And so, Emma lived happily, always appreciating the beauty of life. She shared her happiness with others, reminding them that life is a wonderful journey.